Tired of tools that just get the job done, but never make the job easier? Not here. Welcome to Insight Picks, the place where we bring you the smartest, most satisfying, and flat-out coolest tools that make every project feel effortless. Today, we're diving into some mind-blowing woodworking gadgets that most people don't even know exist. So before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check the links below if you want to grab any of these for yourself. Now, let's get building. Ever spend more time looking for your pencil than actually marking your cuts? That stops today. This 14-piece professional carpenter pencil kit comes with flat, break-resistant pencils, a retractable belt clip holder, and a built-in sharpener with a side honing stone. No more rolling pencils, broken leads, or wasted time. Whether you're marking on wood, concrete, or metal, this kit is built for real builders who care about precision. Ever tried drilling shelf pin holes by hand and they all come out looking like a bad guess? Yeah, we've been there. That's where the Going Shelf Pin Jig changes everything. It drills 7 perfectly straight and evenly spaced quarter-inch holes in one go. No measuring, no frustration. Made from solid aluminum alloy, it's dead accurate, lightweight, and ridiculously easy to use. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro cabinet maker, this jig gives you factory-level precision in minutes. Crooked walls making your setup a nightmare? The Hoopar Pro Green Laser Level fixes that with effortless accuracy. It self-levels within plus or minus 3 degrees, throws a bright green laser line up to 200 feet, and runs for 18 hours straight on its 5200 milliamp-hour lithium-ion battery. With 3 laser modes, a 360-degree magnetic mount, and IP54 waterproof protection, this thing's ready for any job site. Packaged in a tough carry case, it's made for pros who need results they can trust. Ever wanted to turn a simple block of wood into something amazing? The Beavercraft S15 wood carving kit makes it easy, even if you're just starting out. You get 3 ultra-sharp knives for rough shaping, detailed carving, and chip work. They come pre-sharpened and ready to go. The ergonomic handles reduce hand strain, and the included leather strap keeps your blades razor sharp. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or pro, this kit unlocks a whole new side of woodworking. Cutting a perfect circle by hand? Forget it. This 4-in-1 precision router jig transforms your standard router into a circle cutting machine. Fully adjustable and compatible with most brands like Bosch and Makita, it locks in tight for wobble-free, repeatable perfection. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's solid, smooth, and engineered for precision cutting that makes your work look professionally machined. Ever see your wood start to warp or your paint bubble out of nowhere? That's moisture talking. The NDI 7-in-1 moisture meter helps you spot it before it ruins your project. Use the pin mode for deep scanning or switch to pinless mode for surface reading. No damage, no guesswork. It's calibrated for drywall, cement, and hardwood, making it a must-have for contractors and serious DIYers alike. Tired of drilling pocket holes one at a time? The Craig Foreman pocket hole machine changes that forever. It's twice as fast, needs half the effort, and gives you perfect joints every single time. Portable, durable, and laser precise, this machine takes what used to be a tedious step and turns it into a one-hand operation. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever built without it. Want that mirror smooth finish without endless sanding? The abrasive nylon burnishing wheel is your secret weapon. Built with nylon fibers infused with aluminum oxide grit, it polishes wood, metal, and even furniture finishes to perfection. Its 120 grit, 120 by 100 millimeter design handles curves, corners, and flat surfaces effortlessly. Durable, consistent, and made for pros who care about the final touch. Need raw power in your hands? The CSI Cordless reciprocating saw packs a high-efficiency brushless motor running at 3,500 RPM, powered by 2 4.0 batteries for all-day performance. It comes with 8 cutting blades that slice through wood, PVC, or metal like nothing. Tool-free blade changes, LED lighting, and low vibration make it perfect for both job sites and weekend projects. Ever try clamping a 45-degree joint only to have it slide apart at the last second? The miter corner clamp locks those joints tight. Just twist the lever and its 4 precision jaws apply even pressure for flawless glue-ups every time. Made from chrome-plated carbon steel, it's rust-proof, strong, and ideal for picture frames, cabinets, and door trims. Hate painting with brushes that leave streaks and sore wrists? Meet the Wagner Eye Spray Nozzle System. It sprays smooth, even coats on walls, ceilings, and fences fast. You can adjust the flow, switch spray patterns, and clean it in 5 minutes flat. It's not just faster, it makes your painting look professional, even if you've never touched a sprayer before. Trying to drill hinge holes freehand? Disaster waiting to happen. The concealed hinge drilling jig makes perfect 35mm hinge holes every time. Built from solid aluminum with precision bearings, it clamps down, drills clean, and gives you pro-grade alignment in seconds. Works with any drill and any cabinet door. Meet your new favorite project companion, the Cordless brad nailer. It shoots both nails and staples, powered by dual 2000 mAh batteries. With single and rapid fire modes, adjustable depth control, and an LED light for dark corners, it's built for speed and accuracy. No air hose, no cords, just raw portability and power. Your angles never match up perfectly? The Proster Digital Angle Finder has your back. With 0.5-degree precision, a backlit LCD, hold lock function, and auto shutoff, it's ideal for measuring, transferring, and cutting angles like a pro. Whether it's stairs, rafters, or furniture, this compact tool ensures every cut lines up perfectly. Wish your circular saw could just think for you? The Bora Quick Cut Guide replaces your miter saw and measuring jig all in one. With 4 preset angles, 22.5, 45, 60, and 90 degrees, and a built-in ruler on a solid 14-inch aluminum rail, it guarantees perfect, straight cuts every time. Fast setup, no math, no frustration. Cutting metal or tile but hate hauling out the grinder? The Makita 18-volt LTX 3-inch cutoff tool is compact, cordless, and insanely powerful. It spins at 20,000 RPM, cuts up to 1/6 inch deep, has a tool-free guard plus LED lighting, perfect for tight spaces and pro-grade finishing. And the multi-tool of measuring, the Smart Rafter Square. A 7-inch aluminum square with built-in levels, a pivot arm, and 21 quick-lock angles. Perfect for roofing, framing, and precise layouts. One tool replaces half your box. Durable, practical, and ridiculously smart. And that wraps it up for today. If you love tools that make your work smarter and faster, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description to grab your favorites. This is Insight Picks, where we don't just show tools, we show what's possible when you use the right ones. See you in the next one.